In the bright, cozy kitchen, the morning sun danced on the counter. Omar watched as his mother prepared his favorite lunch. She wrapped 2 large, delicious sandwiches, one filled with creamy cheese and the other with tasty jam. "2 sandwiches today, Omar?" he asked with a giggle. His mother smiled and tucked them into his bag. "You never know when a friend might need a treat," she said. When the school bell rang for lunch, the playground filled with the sounds of laughter and clatter. Omar found a quiet spot under the big leafy oak tree. He felt the cool breeze on his face and reached into his backpack. He could already imagine the first bite of his cheese sandwich. As Omar unwrapped his lunch, he looked across the yard. There, sitting on the edge of the sandbox, was a boy named Sammy. Sammy didn't have a lunch bag, and he wasn't playing with anyone. He just stared at the ground, looking very quiet and very hungry. Omar looked at his 2 sandwiches. He looked at Sammy. He remembered what his mother had said about friends needing treats. His heart felt a little tug, like a tiny bell ringing inside him. He knew exactly what he wanted to do. Omar walked over to the sandbox. "Hi, Sammy," he said softly. Sammy looked up, surprised. Omar held out the jam sandwich. "My mom packed 2 today, and I think this one is meant for you. Would you like to share lunch with me?" A big, bright smile spread across Sammy's face, a smile that reached all the way to his eyes. "Really? Thank you, Omar," he said. He took the sandwich gently, as if it were a treasure. The 2 boys sat down together on the grass, the sun feeling warmer than before. They ate their sandwiches and talked about their favorite games and the funniest stories they knew. Omar realized that the sandwich tasted even better when he wasn't eating alone. Sharing hadn't made his lunch smaller. It had made his happiness much, much bigger. Their teacher, Mrs. Amina, had been watching from the doorway. She walked over to the boys with a gentle smile. She had seen Omar's kindness, and it made her heart feel very full. "Omar," Mrs. Amina said, kneeling down beside him, "do you know that what you did is very special? Sharing with others is the sunnah of our Prophet, P.B.U.H. He taught us that when we share our food, it brings a great reward from Allah and fills our lives with barakah, which means many blessings." Omar felt a warm glow inside, brighter than the afternoon sun. He looked at his new friend, Sammy, and then at Mrs. Amina. He learned that a sandwich could fill a tummy, but sharing it could fill a heart. From that day on, Omar always looked for ways to bring 2 of everything, just in case a friend needed a treat.